What's up, guys? My name is Emil. Welcome to my channel. This is a channel where I talk to you guys about cryptocurrency and what I'm doing to make passive income using DeFi platforms or mining or anything that I'm doing. So without further ado, let's just jump in straight into the video. This video is going to be about DeFi projects that I'm using on the side of the other video that I just told you, which was my Diamond Team and Drip Network. Well, this one is going to be focused on Yieldly, which is based on the Algo blockchain, which is right here. And then VVS, which is focused on the crypto DeFi wallet, which is right here. So these are other projects that I'm involved with. I've actually been involved with Yieldly for more than 6 months, give or take, after I watched this interview here on YouTube with Kelly from Algo and the owner Sebastian right here on Yieldly. Now, I love Algo. Anything that Algo does, I really get involved with because they are already involved with IRS and anything with the government. So I really strongly believe in this project. So when I saw Kelly talk to Sebastian, I felt strong about Yieldly. And honestly, they have a lot of really cool staking platforms that offer you great APRs. I personally do this one right here, which is the ARC and the Yieldly protocol. Which this one right here, ARCC, this one is a protocol for Asia. They are going to be the reserve digital coin for Asia. I didn't do too much research, but I thought that was really cool, so I got involved. And then for the staking pools, I'm doing the Yieldly with Algo, so that one's really cool. This one right here is really new, so I don't know what this one is. DFLY, I got to look it up. Lots of different projects that always come up. That you just got to do your research. So I like to stick with the ones that I know, which is you stake Yieldly, you get Algo and Yieldly back, which is really cool. And then for the crypto.com, this right here, you have to download this app, which is the Defi Wallet app. Your keys, your crypto. It's going to ask you for a series of words. When you download this app, it's going to make you to say 12 words, or I think it's 12 or 24. I'm not too sure which one this one is. But when you save those words, it's important that you don't lose them because they are your access to your wallet, meaning if you lose your phone or your computer breaks, in order to get access to those funds that you had on that wallet, you would need those words. So it's very important that you don't lose those words. Okay, moving forward, once you get this app and you create your account, you're going to go ahead and purchase crypto.com, their asset, or VVS, whichever one you prefer. And right now, VVS is up with the current market going up. I still think that we are in this bull trap. I don't know. Everyone's feeling bullish, but at the same time, there's a lot going on with regulations. You just don't know what's going on. So at the end of the day, this is just stuff that I'm doing. This is not financial advice. It's just a video vlog that I want to show you guys exactly what I'm doing to help you out if you are trying it too. So this is what I'm doing. The crypto DeFi wallet, I downloaded this 2 months ago, guys. As you can see, I already hooked up my wallet to this so you guys can see exactly. Oh, it's not hooked up. I have to hook it up. So if you had the app on your phone, right, you would go here, you would go to the app, you'd wait for it to log in, which it's doing. Then I'll scan this. So I originally invested $1,300. I am down with the market currently, and then I have, from what I've earned in the last 2 months since actually not even 2 months. I started this in December, early December. I want to say almost 2 months. I've made $145, which is not that bad. I think, man, let's see if we can even see my history. The first one I did was this one, which you guys can see right here. Let's say if you put $1,000 into this liquidity pool, your 1 day return is $3.44. Now, guys, I own 4 Helium miners, and some miners don't even do that. So for your return on your investment on this is really cool. At the same time, with liquidity pools, it's very scary because you don't know who's going to pull out. But just to show you guys, that VVS tanked in the beginning. Look at this. This is when I started this. Actually, yeah, this is exactly where I started. So it hasn't even been, this will be a full month because I started it when it was up here. not here in November, but like here in December. So it's tanked a lot. So it's really down right now. If anything, this is about to go back up. This is a great opportunity to invest into it. But just to show you that there's not much more it could go down if this platform were right here. So right here, I have VVS and Crypto.com paired. I originally put $470, so I'm down $120 at the moment. I remember being down all the way to 270. That was like the lowest. So it could go down potentially more, but not as much. At the same time, I do like these pairs too because it's USDC with Crypto.com. I originally put 117 into this, and I'm only down $10. That's because USDC doesn't go down. This one I put $300, or no, a little more than 300. It looks like it. I don't know. See, that's confusing because as it goes up, so does your overall thing too. So I think I put $300, so I'm up on this one, which is really, really cool. Yeah, and then guys, if you guys don't have Algorand, you guys can purchase here on Crypto.com. I'll put links down here below for you guys to get it. And then here for Algorand, this is the wallet, myalgo.com. You'll create a wallet. I already have one here, so I don't need it. And then here on the app, you don't have to do anything. You just need to move your funds from Crypto.com. You buy Algorand, and then you send it here to your myalgo wallet. And then right here on app, on app.yieldly, you'll just connect your thing. And see, you can do myalgo. There's different things. Chrome only. There's different wallets you can connect to. Oh, hold on. See, you can use your phone one. But I have this one, which is myalgo, and then I'll just connect. And as you can see, this one I originally put $25 last week. It's already up $5 I can claim. This is 24 hours. I can claim 3 Yieldly, and then I did this one, same thing, $25, and I could already claim 0.64 ARC, which is not bad. Then you have the liquidity pools here, which I told you I have this one. I put $50. I'm up $7 because the market's up, and look at I got 23 Yieldly because of that. It's amazing. That's going on 2 days, or no, I think it's one full day because my estimated rewards. It's going to be a full day. And then this one right here, I don't know what this is. This is something new to me. And then there's also games too, where you can, if you stake Algorand in here, which I think I have almost 10 Algo, you get these tickets. And with these tickets, they do a pool to win these right here. Estimated price 3,000. My tickets, I have 9 tickets. My odds are 0% because there's a lot of tickets. Look at the liquidity pool. So yeah, and then they also have Nft Game Prices, which are really, really cool because it goes by how much Yieldly you have. So for me, like I could get tickets, right? And I have 2,000 tickets. So it goes by how much you're staking here on Yieldly. So if you're staking a lot here, the 2,565, there was a time I had 10,000, and you can stake and you can go right here, get tickets. Next. Just wait. Boom, done deal. Now I have tickets. Look at my odds are 0.004%. Obviously, there's a lot more people with more tickets, but they do a raffle, and if I win, I get one of these NFTs. And they have the flamingo portraits. Same thing. You just get tickets and you just have fun with this. This is a really cool platform. It's a prize DeFi staking platform. I really like it. And it's one of the first projects I've done in the meantime of all the mining stuff I do on the side. So yeah, so we got Yieldly Finance, which is really, really cool, which is really simple. You get Algorand right here on Crypto.com. You send it to your Algorand wallet. You connect it here, which all the time you always disconnect when you're done, sign out. Boom. And then after that, you go here. You stake whatever you got. VVS, same thing. You don't have to buy it through Crypto.com because you can actually buy the coins here on their DeFi Wallet app. These are actually 2 different things, by the way. This is the exchange and this is the DeFi Wallet. 2 different apps. They're owned by the same company. Okay, then you go here to VVS. You can either do it on your phone or you can do it on here on the desktop. And you do this, which right here, it could be a little confusing. I'll leave some links down below on how to get the liquidity pool, et cetera, and how to get this started. But once you do, it's really passive income. And it's really cool. Yeah, guys, I just want to show you guys that really quick because I know that I'm doing a lot right now and I don't really have detailed videos exactly what I'm doing, but I want to give you guys something versus nothing. But thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more.